First of all, I must apologise for my voice. Sometimes it goes a little croaky. It's never really been the same since COVID. Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Now, this video is a little different to the usual sort that I do. I recently received this Dr. Otek MT-XR Metal Detector, and I am so excited. So that was the stem, the search coil, instructions, battery, and a nice little thank you message. I like when those sorts of things are included. And this, I think, is fantastic. A brilliant little sturdy digging tool. Got the inches, centimetres on the back, a nice little protective outer cover at the side. A nice pair of foldable headphones. The control box itself. And a nice little bag to put everything in. It's a decent size, it's got little compartments inside, which is really a nice addition. Very clear, easy instructions to follow. Here we have the search coil, the lower stem, middle stem, control box, upper stem, and a bracket. And so to test it out, I went onto the local field beside where I live. I hope the farmer doesn't mind. I discriminated iron because there is iron everywhere, and it would have beeped every 2 seconds otherwise. And within minutes, I got a reading. I put the pinpointer on, and that places the item right in the centre of the coil. I used this little handheld pinpointer that I got from Amazon for, I think it was only about £17–18. And this is my first find, an old can. So then I decided to go in my garden, and straight away I got a reading. I used the pinpoint that placed it directly in the centre. And started digging with this fantastic tool that came with it. Again, I just used this handheld pinpointer to find the item. And this is what I found. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It was a very hefty item. The next day, I decided to go to the local beach to see if I could find any treasures there. It's a pebbled beach that's famous for its sea glass. When I was little, you could fill your bucket up with so much sea glass. Now you actually have to hunt for it because so many people come every day. these are what I found. This coin, it's a bit worn away at the edges on the back. And here it is at the front. I think it's Turkish. Please let me know what this coin is. And I found these very interesting pebbles. They are very light, very shimmery, and they register at 85, which is the last point for aluminium and the first point for silver. Now, like I said, this beach is famous for its sea glass. So is there such a thing as sea metal? I think maybe they were aluminium cans that have been in the sea so long they've formed these beautiful shimmery light pebbles. Again, if you know, please let me know. I'm extremely interested. And so this was my first 2 days with my new metal detector, and I very much enjoyed it. I'm thinking of maybe one video a month of me maybe looking in the local woods, fields, beach, even gardens, just to see what I can find. Who knows, I might find some historical treasure. What do you think? And this concludes the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please click the like button, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for future videos. Thank you.